and welcome to MSha. In the continuation of our creating chart series, we will create another new chart, which is scatter plot chart, and we will explore how to create a scatter plot chart and how to use the colors in this chart. So let's begin. First of all, we have to insert chart by using the insert button. As we are going to create a scatter plot chart, so we have to increase the size of the chart. After this, we have to check our data source, and in this chart we are going to link this model planned events sample model with the other run juice sample model, because we are now using two different values or measure from two different models. So first of all, we have to link both model by selecting the add linked model button. After this, select the best run juice underscore sample model, and then click on the create model link. After this, we have to select the model. The SAC automatically recommended that we can link both model by using the city dimension in the planned event sample model and the location in the best run juice sample model. We just have to click on the set button. So now our both models has been linked. In the second step, we have to select the type of the chart. For this, I will select the scatter plot chart. Where it is? Here it is. So I have selected scatter plot chart as a type of this chart. After this, I have to select the x-axis value, that is number of events in 2016, and at the y-axis we have to select the net revenue or net revenue measure from the other model, that is best run juice sample model. As I selected net revenue at the y-axis and x-axis, I select number of events that belong to the planned event sample model. So after this, I have to select the color, and for the color I have to select the city. Oh sorry, the city is present into another model, so let's back. Let's click on the planned sample event model and then select the city as a source of color dimension. Now as you are seeing, our chart is displaying very beautifully, and for this we can do some more changes for make it very eye-catchy. So I go to the show hide option and then click on the hide legend, so that we will have our chart very clear. Now go to the styling option of this chart, and then select on the points, that is we can increase the data points by increasing the marker data marker size. Also we can change its capacity. Capacity is like we can make it very bold, or we can make it very light as per our need, and we can increase the size of the balls of a scatter plot by changing the data marker size option. After that, we can also change the bold for all the text of our chart. We can also change the position of the legend, like below chart, above chart, and right side, beside chart at the right corner. So now our chart is completed, and anybody or any user can easily analyze the values of the chart by just seeing the chart. For example, this this circle is showing that city San Francisco has the number of events for 2016, 861, and the revenue by this location we earn is $61.31 million. So hope you learn how to create the scatter plot chart from this video. If you like this video, do click on the like button, and if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. And let's meet into another new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.